How to solve file format isn't supported or files are corrupted gallery photos problem. So if you want to solve file format isn't supported or files are corrupted gallery photos problem, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Once you're under the apps, now you need to go with see all apps and go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on show system apps. Now you just need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for media storage or media picker. Tap on it, tap on storage and cache, and you need to clear the cache and clear the storage. Once you've done that, you may also have media storage option. You can go with media storage and then you can clear the cache of your media storage. Once you've done that, now go with search again and search for gallery, or in my case I have albums. Tap on it and go with storage and cache and clear the cache of your albums or your gallery. And after that, now go with search again and then search for system UI. Tap on it and go with storage and cache and clear the cache. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix or solve file format isn't supported or files are corrupted gallery problems. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.